Hello, hello. We are back in our fun holiday fair and we are gonna do gingerbread white Russians. So, I have already rimmed my glasses with some ginger snaps, and you'll see in the recipe, you make like a gingerbread cream. So we've done that on the stove. Now we're simply gonna add some vodka to my wonderful, shaker. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of Kahlua. So we'll just go to the pour that in. Oh, I just almost missed it all. We are gonna shake, right? Is that the only thing?
Yep, we shake.
And we are gonna use our little strainer. And then we're gonna put our gingerbread cream. OMG. That's all I'm gonna say. This doesn't look delicious to you. Something wrong with you. And then we can take some of our crushed gingerbread. Sprinkle it on top. You don't mind my hand. Look how pretty that looks for a holiday drink. So cheers. Oh my gosh. That is so good.
Next to a fire.
That is delicious.
Very good.
I think it's all about the cream. So highly suggest you make that one and make it a good holiday season. Bye.